ladies and gentlemen, this is Big Rob here. I want to make this video real quick because I want to share with you guys an indicator that myself and my sister business partner, we created this. Name our company is Dreammaker FX Trading. We created this indicator because we want to make trading simple for the average person. Okay, I'm just wanna let me put this pip counter up here. All right, there you go. As you can see, I'm having some incredible results with this indicator right here. All right, I want to show you guys. You can actually trade this on any time frame. Doesn't matter. It simplifies trading for those that's trading for the very first time. I'm sure you probably got into it, got involved with it. You may have lost some bit of money, whatever. Okay, but this right here basically makes it very simple. Makes trading profitable for you. Okay, it basically tells you exactly what to do in the market. It tells you in the buy bulls or in controls or buy entry. So I took a buy right here, and as you can see, I'm already up in profit. Okay, you will get out. Doesn't matter which way. You will get out when you see something that says possible trend change. Market could reverse short or could reverse long. It's going to tell you one or the other, and you just get out according to what you see. When prices overbought, oversold, whatever, just get out. It protects you. This is like an added safety feature. It protects your profits from you giving it back to the market or losing all that money. All right, either way, you can add this momentum line on here as confluence to the indicator. All right, as another added confirmation. But that's basically all you need. Does this indicator repaint? The answer is no, because a simple fact, there is no arrow entries telling there's no arrow entries. I'm sure you have purchased forex indicators, all that stuff with arrows and things like that, and they repaint. When price, it appear in price either retraces back or goes another direction, disappears again, reappears later. This one does not do that. Okay? It's based on what price does in the market, and it tells you right here. It'll tell you what you need to do. If price is in consolidation, it'll tell you price in consolidation, do not enter any trades. It'll tell you if the price is bullish, if it's bullish, market is bullish, if it's bearish, whatever. If it says bias trend going long, you know you're going to be in a buy, and it's going to be a long entry. You just get in, boom, take it up. It's going to tell you all that stuff. All that good stuff. Alright? So, I'm just going to show you examples if I can find any. Alright, let's look at Euro JPY. Alright. Let's load American money up. Boom. Look at that. See, it says possible reversal level, exit any long trades now. Okay? That's one of the warnings. Okay? Market is sideways. Do not enter any trades. As you can see, it's sideways. You don't enter. Okay? All that stuff. Bulls are in control here on 5 minutes. Let's go to another one. I'm just going to show you guys some examples. Alright. As you can see, it's going bearish. Alright, see, bears in control, sell entry. Alright, on 30 minutes. Alright, bears in control. Possible reverse level. Oops. Alright. Let's look at silver. Alright, as you can see, no clear entry, so you'll wait. Trend by as long, consider it long entry. Alright. Possible reversal level, exit any short trades. So clear entry, trend bias long, consider long entry. Alright. Just a few things that you will see. Alright. I'm going to go back to crypto again. Alright. Alright, as you can see, we're in a buy. On the hour. Alright, still bullish. Bullish. Okay, cool. Alright, y'all see how that basically works. Okay. So like I said, it makes it simple for the average person. If you are interested in getting this indicator, okay, link is in the description box below. You just go make your order, make your purchase, and once you do that, you'll be taken to a page where you can download the indicator, and there's a video tutorial showing you how to install it. Everything is just simply right there at your fingertips, okay? So if you are interested in the indicator, just go to the website and make your purchase. Other than that, I hope that this video helps you out in a good way. If you're looking to have a positive trading experience and profit and be successful, I highly recommend this indicator. Okay? With that being said, God bless, and I'll talk to y'all soon.